We're going to go over how to use Trello Automation to make things easier. This tutorial is created from a graphic designer's perspective, and we're going to use the VOD as an example. So when we claim a card, we need to join the card, add the proper label, and comment on our role. So that's 3 different steps that we need to take to claim a card. But that can be simplified by using automation. Simply go up to Automation, select Button, and we're going to create button, and I'm going to name this Claiming Card. And you can also select a fun icon to go with it. Then we're going to come down here to Add Action, go to Members, and add Join. So if you look up here, you can see the action. Next, go to Add and Remove, and we're going to come down here to the label and select the proper label. And we're going to add that. So if you come up here, you can see both of those actions. Now let's come over here to Content. And for post comment, I'm going to type in graphic designer. And with that, we have the 3 different actions added. Of course, you can look at these other actions and add the ones that you need. We're going to go ahead and save the button. And so if we go back to the card, I can simply click the Claim Card button, and you can see that I have joined the card. The graphic designer assigned label is added, and I've commented on my role. And so with one button, I can complete those 3 actions. And that's just a quick introduction to Trello Automation.